Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, the 12th of March, and it's time for our assembly. So, we sit up straight. Please stop talking. Let's all start listening. We take a big breath in and a slow breath out. Now it's time for our signs of the week. Great signing, everyone. Are we ready to get moving? Got a treat this week. 8E are going to lead us in our moving minute. Thank you, and let's get ready to move. Thank you, Earls class. It's been fab to have some more scrapbooks returned. I'm really enjoying seeing the work that you've done on them. So a big shout out this week to Jerome and to Mishak for your great scrapbooks. There is still time to send books into school. Now we're going to see the work that's been happening in school this week. Thank you, everyone. Lovely to see your great work. Now, Lee and 7L have a song for us. I think it's one most of us know. Do join in your classrooms and at home.
agree. There won't be an answer, let it be. Although it may be hard, there's still a chance that you'll see. There won't be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There won't be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the night is drowning, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music, my memory comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Next Friday is Red Nose Day, and we're going to celebrate that at Highshore by all coming to school wearing something red. So this is an own clothes day. We hope you're going to want to dress in red. We'll hopefully do some nice things in our classrooms, and we're going to have a school disco in the afternoon. So we're going to make that the best possible day next week to support comic relief. It's been wonderful having young people back at school this week. We have been so happy to see faces we haven't seen for a long time now, since before Christmas. It's great. We've got over half the school back now, and it's great to know that next week, by the time I do this assembly, we'll have a full school again. Thank you to all families who are watching for your support. It is massively appreciated by us. Young people, you are amazing at the testing you've been doing. We have been so proud of you, how well you're coping with the testing. Many of you will soon finish your 3 school tests, and you'll be getting a kit to take home with you. Parents, there's lots of information about this in the newsletter that's going out today. Please do look at it. Young people, you'll have a kit to go in your bag to give to parents at home. Fantastic work from everyone in the school community, especially our testing team, who have been brilliant throughout. We hope by this time next week to have the whole school on site, and then we have 2 full weeks before we break up for Easter. And it will just be great to get back to our school routines, still in our bubbles, still wearing our masks, still keeping personal space. We've had many happy faces returning this week, and we know we'll have more next week. It feels like we're becoming a full school again. And thank you to everyone for your support. Our assembly is finished today. We take a big breath in. Slow breath out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye from everyone at Highshore.